Hi, I've decided to do this week's experiment on video just for the fun of it. As you can see, I'm already seeing some interesting waves while I'm filling the tub. And like when we drag a cork through it, you know, they appear to be circular. As they run down from the edge, the water runs in. You can see the waves shooting off to the little waves shooting off to the side. And they are fairly even because the water's flowing at a constant rate. Yeah, the force of the water creating some back waves. I don't know if you can see them, but there's also some waves over on the wall coming back. It's like backward striation. It's going out, and then the water's coming back to where the deepest point is, which is right underneath the faucet. It looks kind of like ribs. Yeah, you can see the water. The water's flowing pretty good. I mean, still consistent. As you can see, the water doesn't fall straight, because if you look at how the water's going, it does fall from the faucet. It looks like it's going at a slight right angle. So obviously it doesn't fill evenly. And you can see over on the far side, the waves that are going out are actually hitting against the waves from the water coming back after it hits the end and comes back. This is kind of interesting. It's making a third wave. But the waves are still consistent. The ones going to and coming back are consistent even when they hit. They hit on and they move over to the side consistently, which is kind of interesting. I guess I'm not going to put food coloring in the water this time. I tried that last time. But I don't know. Maybe if I put something we can see better how the waves are working. Let's see. Put a couple little things of water in. And see how the water shoots all the way back? And then it shoots back around. It goes up to the end and flows back in a circle. See that? You can see it better with the coloring. The water is going to dissipate a little bit, of course. But watch. If you watch again, I'll do it one more time. I'll drop some right at the base of the water going in, and watch how the flow of the water goes. It shoots straight down the middle, but it's not exactly straight. As it goes all the way to the end, it circles back around. Now you can see it coming down on the bottom of the camera, and it all meets back at the end. This is kind of interesting. One more time for the sake of that, and then we'll have enough water to do our experiment. But put in a couple more drops, and watch how it shoots straight back. It goes straight back, and then cuts circles around, and comes right back to the deepest point, which is right under the faucet. That's interesting in and of itself. Okay, I think that we almost have enough water here. Let's go ahead and look. So I'll go ahead and turn the water off. And then we'll take Mr. Cork, because we're supposed to be using Mr. Cork here. That's what it says. I'm going to use the wide end of the cork, because I guess it's better for what we need to do. Now the first part of the experiment said that we need to practice tapping the cork on the surface of the water about 3 times per second. So easy way to do that. 1, 2, 3, 1001, 1, 2, 3, 1002. So that's what I'm going to do here. So let's take a look and see if this makes any difference. 1, 2, 3, 1001, 1, 2, 3, 1002, 1, 2, 3, 1003, 1, 2, 3, 1004, 2, 3, 1005. As you can see, the waves that come out of it are very consistent. They're evenly spaced, and they're pretty much equal. The second part of the experiment says that we need to move our object and watch the spacing of the waves extending in front of the object compared to the ones behind it. Now, as we all know, what's going to happen, the waves in front are going to be tight against the object, and towards the rear, they're going to be wider. Try it again. We'll drag along, wide in the front, or wide in the back, against the object in the front. And depending how fast you go, actually, if you watch, if I go real slow in the forward motion, the waves kind of stay ahead of it. But if I push it faster on purpose, they stay right against the cork and actually flow up against the front of the cork, rather than just push it like this, which keeps it enough ahead of it to make the waves. But if I go fast enough for the water to force its way back up, the waves change a little bit. They compress more. The back widens and the front gets more compressed against the front of the cork. The next thing it says we need to do is try some different frequencies and speeds on tapping and moving. So I just explained the moving the cork. So let's look at some more tapping. What we were doing before is 1, 2, 3, 1, 1000, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1000, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1000. Let's try to speed it up a little bit, see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. Now, doing it that way, we notice as the rings go outwards, we get various little groups. You'll get little groups of 3 or 4 rings immediately from the tapping that are tight together, and then you can see the space, and then 3 more tight rings. So it still stays consistent no matter what rhythm you use in tapping. You continue to get a consistent rhythm of your circles, of the expanding waves. The waves go out consistently with what you're doing. So again, we'll try it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to speed up. 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10, 1, 2, 3, 11. Now see, again, it's consistent. No matter how fast I do it, the waves stay consistent. And the circle goes out all the way around evenly because it's equal force that we're pushing. Now if I tried to push it at an angle and go like this, I would not create a wave. I'd actually be moving it forward, and it would not create a wave backwards more as it would create a wave forwards, like when we're just moving our cork back and forth. Okay, well, I hope this is interesting and hope it helped a little bit. I got to clean the tub out now because of the food coloring, but I don't want my wife to kill me. Hope that was interesting. Have a great week, and happy holidays to all of you. Bye.